Alrighty, so here you can see that's a Yamaha AV receiver, and I have installed Bluetooth that you have seen in the previous video. So today I'm going to do the sound test, and with the 5.1 here you can see all the speakers are on, 5 speaker, 5 channels, and the subwoofer, and that's audio 4 as I told you in that video, and I named it as the Bluetooth. So I'm going to connect this one to my mobile right here, and here you can see that's a 3.0 BT is connected. So now I'm going to play some songs, and let's check the sound. Right, so as you heard the sound is, what to say, very good, like the other connections to the PC, and if you connect other devices. So the Bluetooth sound is like same, no difference, and the quality is also same. And now let's check the surrounds too. So the 5.1 is working great through the Bluetooth, because that thing is what you say, giving stereo out to the receiver, and the receiver is like, as it does, convert upscale the stereo to the 5.1, and that's how it's working. So let's turn the subwoofer to, and let's check the sound, and right. So as I hear right now, sitting in the middle of the 5.1 speakers, and the sound is amazing. So now I can use this receiver with my mobile phone. Now I can play songs without connecting any wires to it. So that's amazing. And let's check another song.
Tonight time.